Alright, what's going on, guys? So today we got a new wheel here to install, the NRG 3-inch deep wheel, and we got this short hub. Tools you're gonna need: flathead to push the little springs here behind the steering wheel to get it off. First things first, let's unplug the battery. Alright, so now that we got the battery unplugged, we're going to go ahead and stick this little guy in there. And there's going to be a little spring here that you kind of push in and get it out. Alright, I cut out a little piece of my wheel right there. Right here to show you guys where you guys need to push. There's a little tab in here that you just pretty much push, and then you pry on your steering wheel a little bit, and then it pops off. You should just be able to pop this off. Pop off. After we disconnect the airbag, there's going to be two little more prongs right there, but you get those out as well. Next, what you do is you grab your 18mm socket and your breaker bar, and you break the bolt. And after you break the bolt, obviously loose it. Keep a little bit of threads on there so that way you can get the wheel off. You don't smack yourself in the face. Alright, cool. And then finish unthreading the bolt. After you get your hub back on, you grab your screw and you screw it back in. Once you get the wheel mounted back on, just put it on the bolts. Airbag light is on, but the car feels a lot different with this new wheel. It feels a lot sharper. You gotta loosen that bolt though, I over tightened it, but other than that, great. And here's the finished product. When you're tightening these, make sure not to over tighten them because they will strip. But other than that, yep, there it is. Our 3-inch deep NRG wheel with a short hub. Thank you for watching.